cows are here. Gotta get the cows in.
All right, let's go.
We're going for a ride too. Going on a cattle ride. This is fun, Tag. I would have to say this is badass. They're so well behaved.
Those cows on your property sooner than you thought, huh?
Yes, sir. Move over.
Everywhere I go, it's like it. Oh, you're getting cows. Prevailing winds are turning.
They're such hard workers. Those two just impress me.
Well, that's awesome. Praise the Lord. We'll take it. Yeah.
Yes.
There you go. How's that for you?
Oh, look, they're running.
They are so excited.
Four. She's got one. Does she have one in her waist? Yes. So those are the two babies, and then the two mamas. No, it's not.
They're gonna hit that hot wire and figure it out right quick.
It's closed.
Like the game is open.
Okay, no, not an exit. Sorry, pal.
Hi, cow.
I thought it was open. It looked open. Portland, Maine.
Oh, Mike bought me this sweatshirt when he was in Boston. They went to
Cows on the land. And Jeff.